Govinda Prasad Toshniwal, BDS third year student from CSMSS Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Dentistry is a huge 5-year course that we call as BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery of Health Sciences. It is one of the part of health sciences, but in itself it is a huge branch. It is further divided into 9 branches. Let us know quickly all 9 branches and what happens in all that branches. First is OMR, that is Oral Medicine and Radiology. As you first go to the dentist, they'll examine you, and if needed, will get the picture or a photograph of the your tooth, that is we call as IOPA, X-ray of the teeth. So the branch deals with the radiology, the interpretation of the X-ray that has taken from your teeth. The second branch is pediatric dentistry, that is periodontics. This branch deals with all the dental issues of pedos, that is from toddler, child and young adults. Then comes the third branch known as prosthodontics. Prosthodontics deals with all the prosthesis of your mouth and face. So the natural teeth, when they are replaced with artificial teeth, this all work is done in the prosthodontics, or the CD, that is we call complete denture, or RPD, that is partial denture. That is all done in the prosthodontics. Then comes the fourth branch, that is conservative dentistry and endodontics. This is the most visited, as we visit dentists, this is the most visited branch, and very special treatment, that is RCT, the root canal treatment, as we all know, is done in this branch. So the removal of dental caries and filling of silver amalgam or the composite is done in this branch to protect your teeth, to preserve your teeth. Fifth branch is PhD, that is public health dentistry. This deals with the oral health of the public, or in a population, or in a region-wise oral health is examined in this branch. Then comes the sixth branch, orthodontics. Orthodontics deals with the braces. As we all know, there are different kinds of braces, and to put your teeth in aligned manner, or in occlusion as we say, it is done in this branch. Then comes the oral pathology. Here any malignancy or tumor is examined, and further diagnosis and treatment is done. Then comes the branch oral and maxillofacial surgery. Here the extraction of the tooth is done, whichever may be the reason. Also any trauma cases are handled by this department. And the last branch is periodontics. Periodontics deals with the cleaning of your teeth, removing of calculus and plaque, and deals with the inflammation of gums, we call it gingivitis and periodontitis. So yeah, that's the overall view of dentistry and its branches. Thank you so much.